What up, what up, what up? Sorry about that. Right now, we're going to the gym. We're gonna work out, and then afterwards, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, I don't know what to say. So what up? Just finished my workout. Now I'm gonna go eat because I'm starving. So I'm gonna go eat. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat, but we'll see. We'll see in a bit. So yeah, let's go. I didn't go eat because most of the places I wanted to go, they were closed, so I have to wait till 9 or 10 so they could open up. The good thing is that I brought fruit, so that's what I ate. I ate my fruit. And now I'm gonna go hike. Okay, the day Pokemon Go came out, or they launched it, I got it. I downloaded it, but I haven't like actually played it. I haven't how do you say it? I haven't like signed up or registered for it. So I don't know if I should do it. Right now. I'm just gonna get on right now. Let's see how it is. Dun, dun, dun. Should I play this or should I not? I just don't want to get addicted to this. That's why I haven't like even played it at all. The Pokemon Company. What the? January 1st, 2016. Dun, dun. I'm excited. Just fine. Why is it taking forever though? Our servers are humbled and an incredible response. We are working to resolve this issue. Please try again soon. What the? Really? Just when I was about to like sign up for it? It wasn't meant to be, I guess. It wasn't meant to be. Oh, that sucks. Look at you. Let's Pikachu. Focus. Focus. I feel like a Pokemon master now. And I haven't even registered. Good times. Alright, so I guess I'm not gonna play Pokemon. What should I do for now? Dun, dun, dun. You see, if I would have had Pokemon right now, if this Pokemon would have worked right now, I could have been playing. For now. Well, like, wait, shoot, what the heck is going on? It broke my phone. I'm just playing. But yeah. Alright, let's go.
Jack it up.
Oh, shoot, there's a Pokeball. You found a Pokeball. Can't grab it. I think we found a snake. You guys see it? Is Is it alive? Is it alive? Should we kick it? It's alive! Just playing, it's a rope. It's a rope. So yeah, we finished the hike. And now I'm gonna meet up with my family, so let's go. They're actually at the store right now. They came to Staples. To get some notebooks, and I don't even know what else, but stuff for school. So let's go. I didn't scare you. I found my mom. I found Yana. Say hi. See those kids? Kevin! What's oh, okay, fine enough. They just kicked me out. Whiteboards for what? When you buy paper, lined paper, you should always, the best way to check if they're good, you gotta knock at them. And if it's just playing, I don't know. I'm just playing around. I'm tired. Look at all these comfy chairs. Let's see, what's the price on this one? $119.99. Not bad. I mean, it's comfortable.
On Go.
What? They're talking about it on the radio too?
Virtual Pokemon in real locations near you. So you walk around or you drive around capturing Pokemon.
Okay.
The good part is people are getting outside, they're exercising, they're seeing things.
Yeah,
that
they're working out.
See. It
Right.
also encourages interaction,
Right.
so there's a social part
I
to
agree
it.
with that.
But then there's the bad things. It's good to talk with your teenagers about this, that people have been hit while they're playing because they're so absorbed in the
Yeah,
game.
sure, if you want
They're
to.
doing it while
So
they're
yeah,
driving.
I've been
That's
everywhere
bad.
right now. We've been to, I don't know, like 3 different stores. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat Chipotle. So yeah, I don't know what to say. What do you want to say, Kevin?
I want Wii Sports Resort.
No more games. I'm just saying.
Well, I
Alright,
already
let's
have
go. Ready? So we're just practicing for my concert. No, I'm just saying. For Araceli's no, I'm just saying. We're not nothing. Alright, ready? Okay, okay. Like 100 something. We're just practicing for future alabanzas. Ready? Okay. Y de noche cantaremos celebrando su poder con alegría del corazón. Sorry. Como el que viene a mi casa en el nombre del Señor, celebraremos su poder porque es el poderoso de Israel. ¿Quién es el poderoso de Israel? Su voz se oirá Huh?
It's too rocky-ish.
What do you mean rocky-ish?
I do rocky-ish moves, man.
Then go for it. Do something different. Rocky-ish.
Okay, go again. Hey, I'm looking. Oh, that's nice. Go.
Ole. what the? No, like that. We'll sing like that. Okay, so my sister is getting the guitar now, and I'm gonna do the drums. I don't even know how to play the drums.
Why did you take the camera with you?
Oh, you wanna record yourself?
Is it always supposed to be with you?
Yeah, right? Like, this is what I meant.
What's in my room?
I'll try to go to your rhythm.
That was lame, bro.
Okay. What the heck? I'm trying to stop. Is that even a guitar? And I'm trying to stop the sound.
You're supposed to stop the drum.
Alright, ready? Go. Press it again.
Do what you were doing. Not like that. No, the basics. Basics, bro.
1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and
Okay, ready?
1 and 2 and 3 and
No. Wait. That's only half of it. I don't have it completely. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
That was pretty sick.
But you don't know how to do it yet. You have to keep going. No, come on.
That's
Get in
pretty
the
cool.
game.
Look, instead of doing this, we could do this.
I know, bro.
Ah, Jimmy!
Nice. Oh, what are you doing? Okay. No, you're not over.
What the hell am I all over? I was going with the rhythm.
Yeah, I don't do it. No.
I was going with the rhythm, right? That was it for today. That was a good practice. High five. Show on the camera. Okay, head five. And so yeah, I was all over the place. I didn't even record much, and yeah,
You learned.
I learned how to play the drums. And I learned good. And I learned good. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully tomorrow I have another one for you guys. So later, bye.